To fix the higher washer-dryer FD error 2025, start by understanding what the error code means. The FD error code typically indicates a problem with the washer-dryer's door or lid switch. This error occurs when the appliance detects that the door is not properly closed or the lid switch is faulty. Begin by checking the door and lid switch for any blockages or debris. Make sure the door is properly aligned and closed. If the issue persists, inspect the lid switch for any signs of damage or wear. If you find any damage, you may need to replace the lid switch. Next, check the door lock mechanism for any issues. The door lock mechanism is usually located at the top of the washer-dryer door. If the mechanism is faulty, it may not be engaging properly, causing the FD error code. Try resetting the door lock mechanism by unplugging the appliance and plugging it back in. If the issue is still not resolved, it may be related to the washer-dryer's control board or wiring. Check the wiring connections to the lid switch and door lock mechanism to ensure they are secure and not damaged. If you find any damaged wiring, you will need to replace it. In some cases, the FD error code may be caused by a software issue. Try resetting the washer-dryer to its default settings by pressing and holding the start button for a few seconds. This will reset the appliance and may resolve the issue. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a professional appliance technician to diagnose and repair the problem. They will be able to assess the issue and provide the necessary repairs to get your higher washer-dryer working properly again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the higher washer-dryer FD error 2025 and get your appliance working efficiently. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.